Hello friends, welcome back. Himachal Pradesh government has started an online e-pass system for organizing any of the event. It can be a marriage ceremony, death ceremony, or some other program, political programs, anything. If you wanted to make it during this COVID period, you are supposed to get a pass online. I will just show you how the pass looks like. Hi friends, as you can see on the screen, this is how the permission letter looks like. It is not a pass, it is a pass cum permission letter. You can see clearly acknowledgement permission letter from government of Himachal Pradesh, and it says what was the event is for marriage. As you can see here, this was taken for marriage, and how many persons can attend, 50, and the dates are given here. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can quickly apply for it, and it's an instant pass and instant download. You don't need to wait for this. I will let us see how this can be made online. So you can do it from your mobile or PC or laptop. What you can do is just open a Google search page, and there you can search for covid.hp.gov.in. HP stands for Himachal Pradesh, and this is the link you are going to open, covid.hp.gov.in. Just click here and open the link. And once you are here, you can see event registration portal. Directly it has come as an event registration portal from government of Himachal Pradesh, and you can scroll down and there is a click register here button here. This is the button I'm talking about. It is for permission of organizing event. Okay, so let us click here on register here button and see what are the details we are supposed to give online. You can see here type of event. First you have to select the event type. This is the place where you are going to select the event type. There is a drop down menu. When I click here, you can see marriage, cultural, religious, politics, funeral, social, and even others are there. So if your option is not there, the last one you can select. For example, suppose I am going to register a marriage event. I am going to organize a marriage event. If I give the number of persons as 80, it clearly says maximum 50 persons are allowed. So whatever I have seen is any event as of now they are allowing only 50 persons. Maybe later they may increase it according to how the COVID is going and stuff, but as of now you can raise maximum number of 50 persons, only 50. And after that, entering the number of persons, you can enter the venue of event. So you are supposed to give the venue address here where the event will be occurring. Okay, I'm not going to enter the address. You can enter your address, and even date is from which date to which date you are going to organize the event. There will be a calendar pop-up coming in once you select. As you can see here, you can select from date and to date. For example, December 9 to 12th, you can select it. And after that, you are going to give applicant details. Who is going to give the application, his name and his relation. For example, I am organizing my son's marriage. I have to give accordingly, and relation name and relation's phone number. So this is the applicant details. And next you have to give applicant address. Okay, from which district, tehsil and block you belong to, because they should know who is filing the request online. And you can select accordingly your tehsil, block and stuff. And after that you can select the panchayat. Everything is a drop down menu. You don't need to, only you need to know your address, that's it. And after that, finally there is an address of applicant where you can type it in, like house or flat name, address and other things, because the drop downs are only for location. And once you have done, you have to upload the proof of address, proof of copy. Like what you can do is just scan Aadhaar and letter in one document, because you have only one option to upload. So both is, for example, marriage invitation card and Aadhaar, you scan in one document, click on choose file. After that you have two options, camera as well as document option. And once I have attached the document, as you can see, and I am giving the captcha here, and after that tick the last declaration button and click on the register. So it is so easy. There is no much details needed. You don't need to enter your username, password, nothing. You can see here I have already obtained the pass after click on the register button, and it clearly says acknowledgement permission letter for so and so. You can see here event type is marriage and date, everything is given. There is a button download acknowledgement receipt. You can click here. This is the button I'm talking about. Click on the download acknowledgement receipt button, and you can download this pass permission letter. And during your marriage or your function, you can host this letter. You can keep it and so that it would be allowed. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please give us a like to the video if you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel also.